One of the most challenging yet most unbelievably transformative techniques I've used to get myself to the top as an authority is by getting my head around online marketing, and in particular about setting up and using lead pages, lead magnets and lead boxes. Now you will start hearing these words a lot in the industry and eventually they'll become second nature to you. If you're just starting out, you may be asking, what the hell are these lead things? So by lead we obviously mean attracting potential customers. Lead pages are basically these almost like a website page pop-up things that you see that advertise something for free, perhaps like a free webinar, and they say register here or put your email address in here to get the free ebook. That's a lead page. It's basically something that advertises a product or services, and you have to put in an email address or a phone number in order to then be able to download or get that particular product or service. It's actually not as hard as it looks. There are lots and lots of different platforms you can use. This is the one that I use called Lead Pages. And as you can see, there's lots and lots of different preset templates that you can use. And these are literally templates in the truest form, in that everywhere you see a word, you can click your mouse button and simply change the words. If you see a picture, you can click on the picture and replace it with your own picture. Where you see a video, you can simply attach the link to a video you might have on YouTube and it replaces that video box. So you do not have to be technologically advanced to create your own lead pages. You may need some help connecting it with your MailChimp or whatever email service provider you're using. But again, I'm not technologically advanced and I managed to work it out just by watching some tutorial videos that were free on YouTube. So if I can do it, you can definitely do that too. Lead magnets are basically anything that you give away for free in return for somebody's email address going into one of these lead pages. It could be an ebook, it could be a checklist, it could be a free video, it could be a webinar. A lead magnet is the thing you give them, what magnetizes that customer towards giving you their email address. And then a lead box basically is very similar to a lead page. Now, I don't know if you've ever been on a website before. You might be scrolling through and suddenly this slightly annoying box will pop up and say, hey, subscribe to our newsletter. And you have to find where the cross is to get out of it. But that's a lead box, and they really do increase conversion rates massively because people wouldn't normally go and find the subscribe button, but if it pops up in front of them, well, some of them just do because they like whatever it is that they were just looking at. And all of these things you create just using something like lead pages. Do look around before you invest in this. This, by the way, isn't free, but there are free ones out there. So I said this course only includes free things. You can get plenty of different types of lead page services and software online that is free of charge. So look into it and get yourself growing your email list while you're sleeping by using lead pages, lead magnets and lead boxes.